Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do an activewear slash athleisure haul. I bought quite a few new sets recently, a little too many probably than I needed to stay home and go nowhere, but I have been running and walking outside every day, so I justified it. This is going to be a try on haul, so you guys will see everything on. So I'm going to scooch over to this side a little bit and let's just jump right in and get started. So the first thing is actually a top I'm wearing right now, and it's from Free People Movement. You will see it on, but I bought it in two colors. It's a mix between a crop top and a sports bra. It goes pretty, it's kind of like the Lululemon long line bras. It goes almost down to your belly button. It's a really good length, but I bought it in two colors. One is this really bright, beautiful neon pink, and then the next one is the same exact one. It has an X in the back like this, which I think is really flattering, but I also bought it in this neon peachy orange, and I just love these tops. I want to get like a million colors in this, and I love the Free People logo. I think it's really cute. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I bought these two. I will link everything down below of what I bought if I can find it, if it's still online, including the prices and the sizes in case I forget to say it in the video. I think these were around $30 something, but I think they're worth it. The next top that I bought was actually from Target, and it's another crop top slash sports bra, and tie-dye is so in right now, so I had to have this. It's just a tie-dye crop top. It's spandex, so it's really stretchy, but I just thought the pattern was super cute. It's black and white. It will go with any color leggings, any color shorts. So this was a staple and I bought that. And I don't remember how much that was, so I will find it and link it down below. The next place that I bought a few things from was Forever21. I don't think I tried this particular piece on because it's a little bit see-through, but it's just a white seamless little crop top sports bra. Super cute, just to lounge around the house in and not even have to think about an outfit. You just throw that on with some comfy shorts and you're good to go. The next thing is really similar. I think I did try this one on, but it is just another white, seamless, ribbed, stretchy crop top, short little tank top. Super cute for exercise or just lounging around the house. It has this cute little strappy detail in the back. This wasn't very expensive at all. Forever 21 has some really good activewear pieces for really cheap. The next two pieces are two of my absolute favorites in this entire haul, and they're so inexpensive. I think I may go grab a couple other colors in these, but the first one is just this ribbed sports bra in this really pretty mauve purple color. I just thought it was so unique. It's just little and dainty and strappy, which is adorable. Again, super stretchy. This color is just, I don't even know that I own anything like this color, so it's really unique and I had to have that one. And then I also got, y'all, this might be my favorite thing that I purchased, even more so than the the Free People Movement bras. It's the Forever 21 version. So it's like a long line crop top in the perfect nude taupe shade. It's just so beautiful. The back is a racer back. And again, it's ribbed. It has a V cut in the front. It is so flattering. It makes the girls look so good. And again, inexpensive. I may go buy a backup for this just in case you guys sell it out, but I really love that. I bought the matching biker shorts, but these were just a fail. They're way too long. They look like granny panties and they just didn't work, so I'm gonna send those back. But I wish I had the matching set. I wish those worked because I think that'd be really cute. The next set that I bought was inspired by Gretchen. I saw her Instagram post wearing this and I just thought it was the cutest thing ever, so I had to have it. But it's this tie-dye set. It's hot pink and it has matching leggings. They're seamless, they're full length, and they're just adorable. They're super stretchy. They are one size, so I was a little bit worried that the one size wouldn't fit all, like wouldn't fit me. It'd be either too loose or way too tight, but they fit perfectly. It makes such a cute set and I'm so glad that I got that. So the last two things that I got are also sets, and I actually saw this set from Good American on Hannah Ann on her Instagram story, and I just thought it was so stinking cute. It's this sports bra leggings combo, and it's again that dusty mauve, really pretty purple color. This actually has metallic leopard spots on it. I don't know if you can tell. I've never seen something like this either. It's just so cute. The back is like a cross, but the front has mesh detailing. Again, you'll see this on, but I die. It's a little bit, I would say it runs a little bit small if you're wondering about sizing. I got the size 1 in the leggings, which is supposed to be equivalent to a small. And if you have any kind of hips, it's really tight. It's kind of hard to pull over the hips. But I made it work because it's so cute and I don't want to return them, but I love these so much. This combo is to die for. And then the very last set I got is from Setactive. I feel like Bianca because she has inspired me. Every time I see a post or a story from her wearing Setactive, I just want to go out and grab one. So from their new launch, I got this set. And it's again a really pretty light purpley mauve color. It comes with a sports bra and leggings for $99. So I got just their normal seamless leggings. I really love these because it's really flattering on the butt. It has this little detail on the butt that's really flattering, and then the bottoms are cuffed a little bit, super stretchy. The back has kind of a strappy little detail going on there, and it's ribbed, but it's a beautiful color and it's so comfortable. I need like all the colors in those too. So that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. That just helps share my video and get it out there for more people to see. Let me know down below in the comments more videos that you want to see from me next, because I'm curious and I want to make videos that y'all want to see. I've also been doing a lot of online shopping, so there might be more hauls coming soon anyway, but I want more ideas and I can't wait to respond to your comments and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!